Alright guys, I have an idea. So, I have this medicine bottle full of 12-gram Airsoft BBs. And, do the ninja skills here. I'm going to put water in there, and we're going to freeze it solid. So, oh, BBs fill out. That's cool. Alright, BBs fill out. That's cool. You can... gotta get them out. Put them back in this thing. You know what? We'll be right back. Now that we have all the Airsoft BBs back into the container, we will now close it. Maybe we could try to get a little bit more water in there. Maybe, I don't know. Do it a little bit slower. That thing is slam full of water, you guys see. Okay. So, close it, and we're gonna go put it in my mini fridge and check on it every once in a while. And when I check on it the final time and it's fully frozen, I will come back for part 2. Peace out, guys, and I will see you for part 2. Bye.